guys, it's Julie with Julie's Designs. Today is my favorite video, haul video. So if you love garage sale, thrift store, side of the road hauls, please subscribe to my channel. I try to do a haul video every single week, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out. So most of these items came from the thrift store. I went to one garage sale and that was it, and bought one thing over there. There wasn't a lot of garage sales this week. And the thrift stores, I ended up buying a lot of stuff. There's 2 thrift stores in the town, and I used to hit them up every single week, but I hadn't been there in forever. And so it had been so long since I've been there, they actually didn't even know that I had a baby, and she's 7 months old. That's how long it's been since I've been there. So I did buy quite a few things from there, and it was nice to visit because, you know, if you go to thrift stores every single week, you do become friendly with the employees that are there, which is definitely a good thing to do because sometimes they'll give you a better deal on stuff, especially if it's been there for a while. Or like they had all these Avon bottles and I just wanted 2 of them. So she's like, yeah, I'll break up the set for you. You know, it's always nice to be friendly to the workers there. What I'm gonna show you is what I got from the garage sale. I went to one garage sale. I didn't see anything there that I wanted except for this one item. And I find their prices are a little high, so I was excited to get this for $1. I got 2 of them actually, and they are super nice, super sturdy benches. I picked them up. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but by the time I got home, I definitely had a plan for them. They are going to become a kid's timeout chair. They are nice and sturdy, and I think they would just be so cute in somebody's house. So stay tuned for a video where I redo this cute little kids bench into a timeout bench. I'm always shopping for my kids because that's definitely a way to save money, to get ahead and buy things they need. Now, my daughter doesn't need these, but she's a little obsessed with shoes just like I am, and I feed into her addiction by buying her more shoes. But how cute are these little Timberland looking boots? They look like they've barely been worn. I'll kind of wipe them down and Lysol them. I haven't even showed these to her yet. So cute. And I paid $6 for these, which, you know, is probably a little more than I would pay at a garage sale, but $6 for her to have a pair of boots, I'm fine with that. And her feet are starting to slow down growing a little bit, so maybe she'll fit into them for a little while. This thing, I'm pretty sure it's already sold because I found one of these before and it's sold, and then the lady told me, if you find another one, let me know, I want one. What I did was I painted the top and I wrote sweet treats on the bottom. So I'm gonna contact her and see if she wants it. Maybe she'll want me to do a different color. Since I haven't messed with it yet, she can customize it. And if you're doing this kind of stuff to sell, you start to have a customer base. Well, they will let you know what to look for. You know, they'll tell me, oh, if you see this, I want this. Or I sold something like it already, and they say, I want one of those if you ever find one again. So it's always nice to buy stuff and always already have a customer for it. This was a great find. Actually, the lady at the thrift store didn't even know what it was. I paid $1.75 for it, and it's a French bread cutter. So people like to put these on their table and decorate them all. I don't like the color of brown it is, so I'm gonna sand it down and see how it comes out. I might paint it, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I was excited to find this because these are popular right now. If you would go to Kirkland's or something, you know, you probably pay $15, $20 for one of these. I got this cute little basket for 50 cents. It's just a wire basket. I love the look of it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it or where I'm gonna put it yet. But, you know, when I find stuff I like for the right price, I'm definitely picking it up. That way I have it on hand if I'm decorating somebody's house or my own house and I need something like this. I love it when I can thrift craft items. I paid $1.25 for these cute little fall pumpkins and gourds and everything. They're the right color. I don't have to do anything with them. Actually, know where I'm gonna put them. I painted this tiny little wicker, what is it called, a wheelbarrow, tiny little wicker wheelbarrow, and I'm gonna put them in here and sell it. So I'm always looking to thrift craft items. I got these little bales. They're brass bales. That'll be cute to decorate with for Christmas, whether it be a book set or just something that I need some little accessories for. I think I paid 25 cents for these. This was 25 cents as well. I just love the little knitting hoops, and I love the look of this one. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but like I said, keep it on hand. I have it if I need it. This is a little silver plated bowl. I love the little feet on it. I just thought it was a great shape. This would be a great little change container on somebody's table. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or sell it yet. It was $1.25. So I like it. It's coming home with me. These are the little Avon bottles I was telling you about. She lost her head. Hold on. Let me show you this one first. So I have one like this, and she's jumping rope. So I was excited to find another one like it, except she has a hula hoop. And in the girls' bathroom, I have some shelves over their toilets, and I have like a little vintage setup with some vintage needlework and some Avon bottles. So that's where she's going with the other little girl that is jumping rope. I might have to glue her hula hoop on so it stays. And this is going in the baby's room. It's another little Avon bottle. It's a little girl holding a baby doll with a little bonnet. I like my little baby in a bonnet, so I just thought this was precious and would look good in her room. I like these bottles. They had probably, I think they had 18 of them, and I only purchased 2 of them. So I am picky, and I only paid $1 for them. They're really cute. The perfume's disgusting in them. Do not open them up, but they make cute little decorations. Baskets. I am always picking up baskets. And actually last week I went decorate a client's house, and she wiped me out on baskets. She wanted to do a wall with baskets on it. So, and then she actually wants to add 2 more baskets. So I definitely need to get some more baskets. They just look, I have one right here. They look great hanging on the wall, just one of them. Or you can do a whole arrangement. I'll post a picture right here of her arrangement on the wall, and we'll be adding 2 more to those. I'm thinking this size would be perfect to add to hers. So if I can find one more this size, we're gonna put one on each side of her arrangement. So I'm gonna hold on to this one for her and be on the lookout for another one this size. It shouldn't be too hard to find. I feel like I come across these pretty often. Definitely be on the lookout for those. They're so cheap. I think I paid 50 cents for these, and they're really cute. You can even put, you know, a little wreath or something in them. The possibilities are endless. Oh, another thrifted arts and crafts item. I paid 75 cents for this nice block of foam. And then these, I think I'm gonna put them in my laundry room that I'm fixing up right now. They're just some wooden spools and this little birdhouse. I'll probably just let one of my kids paint that. And I'll use my antique concoction on these to make them look old and antique-y, and they will look good in there because I have like this little sewing knitting section going on. You have to stay tuned for that video of my laundry room makeover. I promise one day it'll be done. It's getting there. So that was all. That first stool was from the garage sale. All the other stuff was from the Salvation Army in town. Their prices are really great. And then right by the Salvation Army, there's this other store. It's a thrift store, but an antique store, so her prices are a little high. If I find stuff for myself, I might pay a little bit more for it, but it just depends. I definitely go in there and see what she has. And I bought this cute little pail. How cute is this? So my idea for this is, definitely paint it. I'm thinking paint it and distress a little, and then maybe even write something on it, and it would be so cute with a plant in it. It's really thick, nice wood too. It's really well made. For $5, I thought this was a good deal. I'll definitely be fixing that one up. And then more stuff for the baby. So I'm constantly looking for things for the baby because she's so chunky and growing so fast. I actually went through her closet the other day and I had to throw out all these cute little button-down shirts that were like 1/4 inch rolled up sleeve. I couldn't get them on her arm. They were so chunky, and she can't wear shorts either because they don't fit on her legs. I mean, she's making it challenging to fit her. So I found these cute little shirts. They'll fit her chunky little arms. They'll open up because it's, you know, October in South Louisiana. It is hot. And her name is Wren, after the bird. And this one says Little Birdie. Be cute. I love that. Here's another just loose fitting shirt. It'll fit her chunky arms. I don't mind her little chunky stomach hanging out. Always looking for the sleeveless ones. These are cute. I think I paid 25 cents for these. Oh, shoes. She's only 7 months old, but she is getting around, and I don't think it's going to be long before she's walking. These are Stride Right, which you know are really good shoes. They're super soft. I paid $2 for these. They look like they've never been worn, so I definitely got those. Once she starts walking, you know, it's out with the cute shoes, in with the comfortable shoes. I try to find bloomers in every color. I'm always on the lookout for these because she can't wear shorts. Her legs are too fat to wear shorts. So I am always looking for bloomers. What's this? Oh, this is a cute little cardigan. Yellow. That'll look good on her. And another little sleeveless shirt. So that is the end of my garage sale haul. Y'all stay tuned because I take a lot of these items and redo them in other videos, or I'll show you where I ended up putting them in my house. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. These are the shelves in the girls' bathroom that I was telling you about. And I put some stuff up for my haul video today. These are the little Avon girls. That's the one jumping rope that I told you about. And then I put the one with the hula hoop. I have a lot of this stuff in their bathroom. It's called Creel, and it's like cross stitching, except it is kind of raised. It's more with yarn, and it's really cute. And then I bought a bunch of these crocheted flowers, a whole bag of them, a few years ago at an estate sale, and I've just been using them to decorate. I love the cross stitch hoop and using those to decorate with. And then I'll find the creel and it'll be framed, and I can even take it out of the frame and put it into these cross stitching hoops, and they look extra adorable. This is just a bucket with some embroidered tea towels that are really cute, and a little container with some Epsom salt just for decoration in the bathroom.
Thanks for watching, and give this video a big